Hi, good afternoon everyone. Teacher Everson here once again with you. Today I start with a question. What day is today? Do you know the answer? What day is today? The answer is here. Today is Sunday. Beautiful Sunday, by the way. Sunny, very nice, very warm, perfect to weather. Excellent to stay home. Good to study English too. And well, today is Sunday. Yesterday, what day was yesterday? If today is Sunday, what day was yesterday? You don't know? And what day is tomorrow? No, don't know? No problem, I'll show you. So, here they are. So, if today is Sunday, so we are on the weekend, okay? So we are here on the weekend. Weekend is Saturday and Sunday. So if today is Sunday, yesterday was Saturday. And tomorrow will be Monday. Yeah, that's right. So tomorrow gonna be Monday. So Monday. Alright, so then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Remember, if somebody asks what day is today, que dia que é hoje, what day is today, you answer the day of the week. Weekdays or weekend. What date is today? Is different. Date is today. Qual que é a data de hoje? What date is today? Today is November 6th. November 6th. Ordinal number we say on the end, okay? That's normal, okay, for most of the numbers. And don't forget to check my blogspot. There you can find more clues for free, na faixa. Okay guys, thank you very much and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!